Hi pilots, welcome to my YouTube channel Michalis FPV. Welcome to the beautiful Greek island of Samos. Today we have the first flight test of this beautiful drone, the iFLIGHT Nazgul Evoque F7 Waterproof with the DJI O4 Pro Air unit. We have this beautiful 7-inch drone for long range. It's really the biggest version of the Nazgul Evoques that usually we know that there are 5-inch or 6-inch, but this one they make it 7-inch, and let's try to see how it flies. Today the weather here in the Greek island of Samos is really very windy. We have south winds, so I think we're gonna have some vibrations with this drone, because usually all the 7-inch they have this kind of problem. And the other thing that I would like to see if we have any Jello in the camera, but the Jello always you can fix it if you put a filter, if you change the propellers, or if you unscrew the camera mount to tight or to untight to see how it's going with the vibration, of course, with many tests. So we're gonna test how it flies this drone. I'm gonna fly it really very normal. I will not try to make so much freestyle. The freestyle maybe we have to dedicate it in another video to see how it's behaving in freestyle. Maybe I'm gonna make some power airs, some rolls, maybe some looping. I'm not promised because I don't like this wind. But anyway, we're gonna see how it flies this drone. So let's start. So my pilots, everything is ready. We're gonna start now the first flight of the iFLIGHT Nazgul Evoque F7 version 3 waterproof to see how it flies. I'm gonna make a very simple fly. We have very strong winds. I'm trying to don't make crazy things. I don't know if I can do some freestyle, maybe not, maybe a roll, maybe a power S, but no something more risky. So we're gonna make just a cruising. Up on the right side in the satellites you can see we have 10, 11, 9 is always play. And I have ND filter 16. Let's go! Okay, we are on there. We are flying. Very, very strong winds, I can feel it. Probably we're gonna see vibrations in the footage. Beautiful day after very, very bad storm and rain that we had the last 4 days here in the Greek island of Samos. Let's make a turn. Beautiful. Let's take on the right a turn. Beautiful. The temperature is about 16, 17 degrees. It's really warm. I will try to go to visit the ancient walls of the ancient city of Samos. Over there we're gonna see how it's behaved also to stronger winds, I can say. This island has a lot of history. If you search in the internet, it was one of the biggest Asian city-states in ancient Greece. There was living in 600 before Christ around 250,000 people, and here it was the island. Here he born the great philosopher and mathematician Pythagoras, that probably you know him from the school, from the Pythagorean theory. So maybe you're gonna hate him, some of you. We see the beautiful blue on the right side as we are going up to this hill, to this mountain, I can say. On the right side you can see Pythagorio. It's the touristic village here in Samos Island, and here where is Pythagorio, it was the ancient city of Samos. Very beautiful weather, but very strong winds. Let's go to see now the walls. As I see till now, flight's okay. Oh, okay. We are diving. Here I feel some vibrations. We are going to find the ancient walls, to see the ancient walls. Here is the ancient walls, what remain from this great city. 6,500 meters around the city was these walls, as you see. And let's go back. We was more for 1 kilometer far away. The mega PPS was around 40 with 30 mega PPS, the video transmission. We are going with a speed of 80 kilometers around. Let's try to fly with a lot of obstacles here in this new highway that the building. Let's see, the video transmission is easy. Start to get weak. Okay, let's go away from here. Till now I see its flight's really okay. We had probably some vibrations. I didn't feel it so strong, these vibrations. Let's see how it turns. Okay, turns really nice. Let's go to visit this small house. Okay, here is a little bit weaker, the signal. The olive trees, we fly between the olive trees. Beautiful. We did a roll, the roll was okay. Let's try to make a little bit powerless. Okay, okay, not bad. Not bad. We are flying 6 minutes with this battery, the 2,200 milliampere. I was looking at the flight time that it was 6, and that's why I say 6,000. Yeah, let's fly a little bit more. Let's fly a little bit more. I see low battery. I'm not going more far away. Okay, I think it's not necessary to go to the monastery because we consume a lot of battery. I think it's better we come back. This is one very beautiful old building, one remain from this building. And you can see me. Okay. Beautiful. The flight's beautiful, really. Really, I like it. Okay, we have to come back. We have low battery. And then we're gonna see. Oh, we have really low battery. Okay, okay, I come back. Let's see how I'm gonna land. Usually I'm not landing well. Okay, not bad landing. It was okay. Okay, I see now the stats from my goggles. You don't see it. We had totally 7 minutes and 40 seconds of fly. We arrive maximum speed 104 kilometers. What else? We use about 1508 milliampere. Okay, I think it's not necessary to say the other. They are not so important. So let's unplug the battery and let's tell you my opinion about this drone. So my pilots, I like it how it fly. We had strong winds, so probably you're gonna see in the footage a lot of vibrations. I don't know, have me to check it. I'm using gyro flow, so I hope that they will remove with this program a lot of the vibrations. Actually, Jello I didn't show in the footage, but this I'm gonna see it better, you know, when I will be in my PC and I will look the footage. It flies really nice, really I like it, but I think I have to test more to have my final conclusions. The positive thing with this drone is that it's waterproof, so that is mean that if suddenly it starts to rain and you are in stress that probably you're gonna destroy your electronics, with this drone you don't gonna have this problem. Return back to land the drone, and also you can land it in the snow, you can land it in the wet grass, it will not be a problem. So I think if you live in the north countries that is a lot of rain, it's worth to have this. Even, you know, if you fly in waterfalls, you diving in waterfalls, also is very useful. This is my first waterproof drone that I have, and okay, I like it. Till now I like it a lot, but guys, I have to test it more to see my final, to make my final conclusions. Sorry for my English, always I'm getting confused. I think I have to stop here. I would like to thank you very much for one more time that you are watching one of my videos. If you are new in my YouTube channel, Michalis FPV, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget also to press the little bell that say for all, to don't lose any of my new videos that I will post. And of course, if you like my content. My pilots, I wish you to have really happy and safe flights, and Michalis from the beautiful Greek island of Samos salutes you and see you in my next video. Bye bye!